Custom Creations. Jay's behind the camera this time. We got my 2019 F150 in the shop. Yes, for those of you who don't know, I bought a 2019 F150. I haven't named her yet, but this is it. So,
Snowflake.
No, not Snowflake. Don't
Snowball. Snowbell.
Now, I said I wasn't going to go crazy with this, but I didn't say I would leave it stock. So, today's video is we're going to customize the tailgate here. I got a cool F150 Star American flag sticker that's going to go right here. Alright, so it's super easy. All you do is you take your alcohol on your rag, which I've already done, and you are literally going to just wipe down the entire surface area of where your stickers are going to go.
Why are you doing that?
For easy stickage. So, what we're doing is we are adding the alcohol, or we're applying the alcohol to our area to clean it from salt, debris, grease, you know, anything that, in a nutshell, that makes the sticker stick better. There you go. So, realistically, this entire process of adding a sticker decal should not take you any longer than about half an hour. So, that's good, just like that. Oh. Let's close that so we don't knock this over. That would be bad. So now what we are going to do is we're going to take our sticker here, keep it on the plastic, don't do that.
So why don't you cut it?
Yeah, it's a good idea.
So while T's cutting that, the reason why you do use alcohol is you want to wipe it, your surface area down, so the adhesive will stick to a super clean area. You want to clean that really well so your adhesion sticks very good. So whether you're using a decal or whether you're using a raised sticker, you always want to use alcohol to clean it. All right, back to the F-150. Here we go.
So what I did was I cut the sticker into each individual section for easy applicant. I don't know what that is. Okay, so what you're gonna do is ever so carefully.
So you see what T did here? He left the plastic on, so he has something to hold on to while he's putting the actual raised sticker on.
Now, you want to try your very hardest to line up the sticker. It is difficult because with the plastic, it adds a glare, so you just got to take your time. So,
because once this goes on,
that's it. It ain't coming off.
It's a one-time deal.
So, pray you get it right where it belongs. Peel back the paint or the plastic. And there you go.
I'll give it a little rub.
Looks pretty dang nice. Yep, I was just going to do that. Add a little extra pressure to the sticker to make sure the whole thing actually stuck. And there you go. There you have it. So,
moving on. Next one.
One piece. What is this, the 5?
Okay. And now what you can do when you have difficult spaces like this, you can push down on one corner so it holds your piece in place, and you can adjust the rest of your piece until you actually like how it's sitting, and then you can permanently push down.
Errors, fix what you can before press that it stays where it belongs. Because it is so cold where we are, you definitely want to make sure either your area that you are applying it into is warm, or you have a heat gun to help the sticking process, because if your area is cold and it does not adhere properly, these will fall off. Probably the easiest part of the sticker, if you mess this up, get glasses.
Don't mess it up now.
Oh, I actually did.
See? Too late.
No! I messed it up! I need glasses, YouTube! Can this come off? It's upside down.
That's not coming off. Do not peel it. It's fine. You're not even going to notice it.
That's gonna piss me off.
You're the only one that's going to notice it.
YouTube's gonna know.
Oh, YouTube's going to sit there and say, that's right. There's an F-150 in the Northeast running around and it's got the dash upside down.
Yeah. The idiot who put it on these glasses and screwed it up. I'm unsubscribing to JNT Customs because they screwed up. They're dumb. Don't listen to them.
Where's your rag?
I know. YouTube. So, just like that, we have put on our final piece of the puzzle, and there you go. So, just by adding a little decal that cost me, I think this was like 15-20 bucks on Amazon, it really changes the whole look of it. So, and just like that, I think this took maybe 15 minutes. So with the right stuff, you can make anything look good. So, all right, YouTube, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will catch y'all in the next video.